How can I make $1 million within 6 months? Is it this right here? No, I don't think so. Because right now, no, you can't make even $1 million within 1 year. So how can I make $1 million within 1 year? Who have the answer? Please let me know. Because I want to make $1 million even within 6 months. I think, and I have another way that you can make $1 million within 6 months. I think so. Or if you have any idea too, please share with me, let me know. But right now with this economy, nah, you can make $1 million within 6 months with this. My truck right here is not paid off yet. So even right now to make like $100,000 within a year, it's not that easy. But I'm trying to, I'll show you the other way, on the other video, to make $1 million within 6 months. So how can I make $1 million with this? Alright guys, subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next video, how to make $1 million within 6 months with this. Thank you. Subscribe.